friends and designers, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing Flatlay, where we share our favorite design materials and bring back the excitement and visceral experience of exploring new product. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Ariel, principal of Ariel Fox Design. We're coming to you from Los Angeles, and I hope you brought your notebooks today because I have a prediction.
You do?
Yes.
What are you predicting?
The concept today is called whiteout.
Ooh.
Because next year, white will be right. We all want like a reset.
Reset,
right?
heavenly, clean. Let's just do a redo.
We need a redo.
But in the meantime, let's get into what's in front of us, shall we?
Sounds good.
Okay, friends, let's begin with this beautiful marble tile from Emser, a Michael Habachy barcode.
Yeah, this is Carrera marble. It's the real deal. It's an 8x8. This comes also with the graphic at a bias, so you get like a triangle look, and then you can also get just like the flat Carrera, so you can create your own patterns. It's really luxe, and it's a nice kind of like subtle graphic on your wall.
Timeless.
Timeless, yes.
Something that I really, really love as to what we have today is from Dekko. This is a really cool natural concrete. Now, why do I love this?
Oh my goodness.
You know.
So please go on the website, check it out, and stay to the end of this video so you can see the install photos of this. This looks like a simple concrete tile, but no. We've got some edge reveal details, so you can finish it and buy them actually with different chamfers and edge details for your walls. And the coolest thing, I think, is that you can do a custom etching of any graphic that you want on
Any
this.
graphic. Like an entire massive globe, like a map of the world, or what did we do recently?
David Bowie's face.
David Bowie's face. Didn't get the green light, but...
We didn't make it to construction, but we love David Bowie. But you can do anything with this material. It's really cool, and it's lightweight.
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 Speaking of lightweight, from Formology, we've got the Lingaform birch right here, Crosscore. Check that out.
A nice whitewashed wood, but the real surprise of this is, boom, the edge detail.
Look at how many layers are involved just in that little square there.
Yeah, so this is great. We love to use these on doors, cabinet doors, any kind of door really, because that reveal is just so interesting and cool. And it's lightweight as well.
Lightweight.
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's go over here. This is really cool, from Kaza concrete. Now, concrete, a little bit you can see, but really in the front we've got a gloss hydro seal, and this becomes what?
It becomes a petal flower. Yeah.
So this is a petal tile.
Again, wait till the end of the video so you can see the install of this, because the way if you kind of like light wash this, you get so much incredible dimension. This is also good for outdoors. So it's a really, really fun tile, and love it in white. It also comes in other colors, but loving it in white.
Love white, because white is right.
White is right.
What do we got here? We got some almost a lacy material, if you will, from Knoll Textiles. This is called Suspend.
So this is a great sheer for drapery. You can layer it over another color, perhaps. This is designed by Suzanne Tick. We love to support our female designers, and we use this often for shears. It's just like a great graphic.
I think the way light would come through it too would create some amazing shadows and just imagery that way too. So some really
ethereal.
Ethereal. Yes. Fancy word. I love this. Let's go to wall covering. Being from Minnesota, I grew up with beautiful birch trees in my front yard, and so this brings it home for me. This is from Anna French from Quintus, and something says au naturel when I look at this, right?
Yeah, and you have some very subtle flecks of metallic underlayment, so you get a little bit of a glint depending on the light. But as Brandon said, we love this white, natural feeling. I think it's really timeless.
Beautiful. And finally, from stonesource, we've got a Biscuit Dune matte ceramic tile, and then we also have a Biscuit P. Different profiles here, but equally very, very cool tile.
Yeah, this one's got more of that beautiful pillow look, and then this has an angular chamfer, and you can mix the profiles. These also come in a lot of colors. But again, white we think is going to be big next year, so white it is for today. I think that's it.
I feel cleansed.
Right? I feel good.
Well, friends, that will do it for this episode of Unboxing Flatlay. As always, please continue to share, like, subscribe, share with your communities, your sphere of influence, and hit the bell for all of our notifications. We really do love the feedback that we're getting from you guys, and as always, for the support that you guys are doing.
Yeah, and you know, the feedback has been great. We incorporated these install shots at the end of the videos because of that feedback. So we're listening, we want to engage. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next unboxing.